Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by eliminating external causes. Close overlays and background recorders because they frequently lock the rendering thread. Next, back up your CFG and keybinds so settings are restorable. This prevents losing custom controls. Then launch Team Fortress 2 with the auto-config flag to reset drivers and in-game settings to safe defaults. Once done, check that Steam overlay is off and no capture software runs, because those interact with the GPU and cause intermittent freezes. You now address software integrity and drivers. Update GPU drivers to the latest stable release, or roll back if freezes started after a recent update, because driver regressions often freeze games. Next, use Steam's Verify Integrity tool to repair corrupted VPK files that can stall map loading. Then, open Task Manager and check CPU/GPU load. If CPU is the bottleneck, set Tf2 to above normal priority briefly and observe. Make sure you finish by stabilizing in-game settings. Clear the shader cache and lower particle, ragdoll, and view distance because heavy effects spike CPU/GPU and cause freezes. Try toggling multicore rendering. Some configs freeze with it on, others without, so test both. If problems persist, create a clean Windows user profile to rule out corrupted local settings, and only then reinstall Tf2. One key troubleshooting tip: record the freeze timestamps and reproduce steps. That log helps pinpoint whether it's hardware, driver, or asset related.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.